Hey there, fellow cat lovers! Whether you're a seasoned cat owner or just a fan of these furry friends, you're in for a treat today. Ready to dive into some perfectly amazing cat facts? Let's get started. These fun tidbits will make you appreciate your feline companion even more. Fact number 1. Did you know cats have a special reflective layer behind their retinas called the tapetum lucidum? This fascinating feature is what gives them their incredible night vision. It allows them to see in almost complete darkness, making them excellent nocturnal hunters. So when you see those glowing eyes in the dark, just know your kitty is ready for a midnight adventure. They're always on the lookout, even when we're fast asleep. Fact number 2, ever wonder why your cat loves to knead you? This behavior, often referred to as making biscuits, is not just a way to get cozy. It's a behavior they picked up as kittens while nursing. This kneading action is super soothing for them and, let's be honest, pretty adorable for us too. It's their way of showing contentment and affection. Fact number 3, cats sleep a lot, about 13 to 16 hours a day. This means by the age of 9, your cat has been awake for only about 3 years. They need all that rest to recharge their energy for their playful and hunting activities. Wow, talk about living the dream life. Imagine spending most of your life in a state of blissful slumber. Fact number 4. Cats have a unique way of drinking water. They curl their tongue backward to create a tiny column of liquid that they quickly snap up. It's like they're using a mini water fountain every time they drink. This efficient method allows them to stay hydrated with minimal effort. Fact number 5. Got a cat that loves to chatter at birds? That's called cat chattering, and it's thought to be a mix of excitement and frustration because they can't reach their prey. It's their way of saying, if only I could get my paws on you. This behavior showcases their natural hunting instincts, even if they're indoor cats. Fact number 6. Cats can rotate their ears 180 degrees. This helps them locate the source of a sound precisely, making them excellent hunters. Their acute hearing is one of the reasons they're such effective predators. So, next time your kitty's ears are twitching, they're probably tuning into something you can't hear. They're always alert, even when they seem relaxed. Fact number 7. Each cat's nose print is unique, just like human fingerprints. If you could take an ink pad to your cat's nose, you'd have their very own ID. This unique feature is just one of the many things that make each cat special. Fact number 8. Cats have whiskers on the backs of their front legs. These carpal whiskers help them detect objects and navigate tight spaces. Pretty nifty, huh? They use these whiskers to sense their surroundings and avoid obstacles. Fact number 9. Cats don't have a sweet tooth. They're one of the few mammals that can't taste sweetness. So, no sharing of your dessert with Mr. Whiskers. They're more interested in savory flavors, which align with their carnivorous diet. And finally, fact number 10. Cats can actually make over 100 different sounds, whereas dogs only make about 10. From meows to purrs and even chirps, your cat has quite the vocal range. This variety of sounds helps them communicate with us and other cats. There you have it, 10 amazing cat facts you probably didn't know. These fascinating insights give us a glimpse into the mysterious and wonderful world of cats. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more feline fun. We've got plenty more cat content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and give your kitty an extra cuddle from me. Outro music. Remember, every moment with your cat is a chance to learn something new and wonderful.